Hello everyone and welcome back to Cloud Perceptor channel. Today we are going to dive into fascinating world of technology to explore an exciting topic of installing language model on your local machine. So it will be taking around 5 minutes to install this. Okay, and we are going to use a tool which is known as LM Studio. Okay, so you can visit LM Studio website to download. There are different versions available for this LM Studio for Windows and Mac. So once you have downloaded, the file can be opened and you can start the installation process. Okay, so basically, what we are going to do today is we are going to use a Mistral 7B quantized version of the model. Okay, so it will be very easy to run it. It will be a small size to download, and we'll be installing, and I'll walk you through the process. Okay, so here I've already downloaded LM Studio version. Okay, so this is the home screen of the application where you can search for different models. So I'm going to search for Mistral. I have already, just for your information, I've already downloaded this model. Okay, so if you want to see the downloaded models, you can go over here. So see here, I already downloaded this particular one. So the Bluke Mistral 7B. What you need to do is let's say this one, right? If you want to download it, just click on the download button over here. Okay, so it's gonna download this. It is also showing you the size. Okay, and if it is full GPU offload possible or not, it's gonna show you this. Okay, so since I've already downloaded this model, I'm going to reuse it. It's already there in the downloads folder. So how you can use it? See here, there is a chat option. Okay, let me just get rid of this previous chat. So here, if you have downloaded a particular model, it's gonna show you this. See, I'm using quantized version just to ease up. It's going to be very quick. It's only 3 GB, so I need to select this model. If you have multiple models listed, then it's going to show you multiple over here. Just click on this. It's going to load it. Okay, and as you can see, it's loading very quickly. You don't need to write any Python code. No code is required. So that's it, your chatbot is ready. Okay, I'm just going to ask some questions like write Python. Okay, so it's gonna process it. Of course, it's not very fast, but I found it very quick over here. As you can see, it is printing. It has already created the Python hello world code. Okay, so in a similar way, as you can see, it has like you can try various combination of prompts. One more feature I liked about this is the inference server, which you can run locally. So you can click on start server. It's going to start the inference server, and so that's the thing I liked about this tool. So with the LM Studio, you can run LLM on your laptop, which is entirely offline. You can use models with the in-app chat UI. We just saw that. Okay, and it is you can also download compatible model files from Hugging Face repositories. You can discover new and noteworthy LLM in the app's homepage. Okay, so that's the great thing about this tool, which allows you to run the models locally, and you can create your own chatbot based on that. So to summarize, in software environment, like LM Studio, a local inference server would allow you to run machine learning models on your own hardware, and of course, API calls would be the method by which you can send and receive the data from this model. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.